Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect WordPress to Shopify. This integration allows you to combine the robust content management capabilities of WordPress with the powerful e-commerce features of Shopify. By doing so, you can create a dynamic and user-friendly online store, offering a seamless experience for your customers. This setup helps you manage your content and products efficiently, driving both engagement and sales for your business. There are several effective ways to integrate your WordPress site with Shopify. For a quick and easy solution, you can use the Shopify Buy button to embed individual products or collections directly into your WordPress pages. If you need more comprehensive control, a dedicated WordPress plugin, such as Shop WP, offers deeper integration. Additionally, various third-party applications provide advanced features and customization options to suit specific business needs. Let's walk through connecting using a plugin. First, install and activate a suitable Shopify integration plugin from your WordPress dashboard. Next, you will connect your Shopify store, often by entering API keys found in your Shopify settings or following a simple connection wizard. After successful connection, sync your products and collections to ensure all information is updated across both platforms. Finally, customize how products appear and manage checkout settings directly within your WordPress site. Integrating WordPress and Shopify offers numerous benefits. You can leverage WordPress's strong SEO and content marketing capabilities to attract more visitors, while Shopify handles secure payment processing and efficient inventory management. This combination ensures a consistent brand experience for your customers. Remember to regularly test your integration, especially after updates, to ensure everything runs smoothly and your online store performs optimally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.